All right, cool. So let's get into the tutorial. Let's where are you as far as like your access? Do you currently have MidJourney? Have you looked around in it, played
So
around?
I probably won't do the full subscription till later.
Okay.
But right now I think I've got the trial going. Yeah, I'm in the
Okay.
Discord. I looked at the getting started, and it says once your trial has ended, become a paid. Okay, so I think I'm in the trial. I'm not sure if that's 100% right. Like I see my dashboard,
Yeah.
but I see that it says join the Discord to start creating. Um, I do have access to the community showcase,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, I think all that's left for me to do is just to purchase a plan.
So I'm glad that you're where you are because a lot of people are starting right there. So I'm gonna give you a great workflow that will make it
Mhm.
super easy. So let me go ahead and share my screen here.
Pretty cool.
Okay, so now, all right, do you see my screen now?
Yes, I do.
So we're at the We Teach AI
That's
Designs, right?
amazing. Yeah.
That's why I have, okay, perfect. That's why I have like a second iPad so I can see what you see. Okay, perfect. So
Okay.
this is me on midjourney.com. I always keep two tabs open, two tab shorty right here. Um,
Mhm.
I sign into my Midjourney account, make sure I'm at the home page. And then with my second tab, that's when I open Discord up. And that's where I use the online version of Discord. So we're there. You know, that's that's
Okay.
that's that's the workflow right there. Just two tabs open. The first thing I do, and this is just my home page. This is all the designs that I've ever created in Midjourney. No matter
Mhm.
what you do, your designs, your concepts will be right here on your home page. So you can always kind of go back to it, refer to it, and be like, okay, what did I do back, last month, or just kind
Yeah.
of seeing your progression or whatever. So when
Was
I'm
that Mewtwo
designing,
and Frieza
yeah,
that you tagged?
it was definitely Mewtwo. I was messing with different Pokemon.
Yeah.
I'm trying to come up with a realist. Okay, there we go. Mewtwo and Charizard.
That is wild. Look at that, man.
Charizard. How depth? Yeah, look at that. You know what
That's
I'm saying?
crazy.
Then
I'm
I was
loving this.
yeah. I think it definitely has like a Frieza vibe, but yeah, I was
Yeah.
and then you got the female Mewtwo, you know what I'm saying? Like, so this is
Yeah,
just
of
all
course.
things that you could look at that bottom right. It definitely gives it like that anime style, like cartoon style.
Mhm.
So yeah, so homepage, all of that good stuff. You can actually follow me at you can
Okay.
follow other artists at We Teach AI Designs. So you'll just put that
Okay.
up in the top right here in the search
Okay, I'm
search
gonna do
users
that
here.
now.